Hey there, all your sausage enthusiasts, and welcome back to Bone Smoking Sizzle, your ultimate destination for all things sausage making. If you're passionate of creating your own sausages right in your own kitchen, then you're in the right place with me. I've got hundreds of mouth-watering recipes to be shared with you. Now here's the deal, folks. I have recipes from traditional classics to innovative mouth-watering flavor combinations. So there's for every palate something. But to keep this sausage party going strong and bring it even more tantalizing flavors, I need your help. And here is how you can help me. But first things first, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you ensure that you stay up to date with the latest of my sausage adventures, and you ensure you never miss a beat when a new video is uploaded. Next up, show me some love and hit the thumbs up on this video here and share it with your fellow sausage aficionados. The more love I receive, the more I'm motivated to churn out great and fantastic videos with instructions for you. Because I'm bringing you the real way, the easy way, and I show you all the tips and tricks how to become a master in making your own sausage. Got some questions about making sausages, or if you would like to share your own experience and tips and tricks, put it down in the comment sections in this video here, because I would love to hear from you as well. And we should build together a great sausage community for all those ones who love making their own products. And last but not least, spread the word. Tell friends, family, neighbors, other sausage enthusiasts. Tell them about this channel here and tell them we're trying to build a community. This way we embark on a culinary adventure like never before. So folks, thanks for tuning in this short video, and remember, with your support I will be able churning out great contents and recipes for years to come.